Welcome everyone back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to make a lovely tea and I will take you through the process, and it's going to be rosemary, honey and cloves. So here I have some cloves here, so I'm going to add it in. It's very strong, so you don't need a lot. I'm going to put some rosemary in and I'm going to bring it to a boil, and also I'm going to add a little bit of cinnamon to it. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet and you've been watching it for the first time, please subscribe to my channel, like, share and hit that notification button for new video during this week. So rosemary, simple as you see rosemary, everybody might use it to cook, grow it in the garden, but rosemary helps boost your immune system, and it's very good for blood circulation, and it's full of antioxidants. So that's why you should try this tea. Very healthy, and the cloves is a natural antibiotic. It's good for arthritis. It's good for your immune system, and the honey is good for you, help for cold, bit of flu, inflammation, anti-inflammatory, and so much more. And remember, when you're using honey in any tea or product, try to get a good quality honey, like very good quality. Once you taste it, you'll know that it's a good quality, because the taste is different. Because honey is very healthy and it's good, full of antioxidants, and it's an antibacterial agent also. It's good for cough, burn and healing of wound. So you should try this tea. It's very lovely. You can have it in the night, midday or in the morning. So I urge you guys to try it and give it a go. At this point I'm just waiting for it to come to a boil. At this point I'm going to add some cinnamon powder to it. You can add the cinnamon stick if you want. This tea is really good for, especially if somebody have high blood pressure, because cinnamon is good for high blood pressure, to reduce it, and it's also lower cholesterol. So please try this at home. As I often said in some of my videos, you have nothing to lose. This is 100% health benefit. I'm gonna try it. Yeah, that's good to go. So here I have my teacup. So I'm gonna put some fresh rosemary in the bottom. And I'm going to add a teaspoon of honey. This is proper honey, proper stuff. So 1 teaspoon in this. This type of tea helps you to relax also. So I'm going to switch this and put it my specialty. I love this teapot. It's very nice. This even come with a strainer inside of it. Yeah, so now I'm gonna pour it in this. Set this aside. Put the lid on. Now it's time. Give it a stir. Now it's time to try it. Yeah, this is very nice and tasty. Very hot also. It's very nice. So please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Cheers to you all, and thanks for watching my channel. I appreciate all the subscribers and the viewers. You know, peace be unto you all. Wish you all the best. Thank you very much. See you soon.